Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Priyam and this video is all about how to apply falsies or fake eyelashes. So first take any eyelashes available with you and try to place it on your upper eyelash to see if it suits or if it is of your eyelash size or not. So this definitely is bigger than my eyelashes, as you can see clearly. So what I'll do is I'll try to cut the lashes little bit from one of the corner, or if you want that it is still big as per your size, then you can cut it from the other corner. As be careful while cutting the lash, and also ensure the size of both the lashes are similar. So guys, today I'll be using this eyelash glue from PAC. So guys, what most people generally do is they apply the lash glue on the false eyelash and then they try to fix the lashes on the upper eyelash. But what I do is I apply the glue directly on my upper lash and then try to fix the false. Also guys, there are multiple glues available in the market and I have bought this pack glue for the very first time, but I am quite satisfied with this product. So apply the glue in a small quantity on your natural eyelash. And there is one more process which I follow. What I generally do is I apply the glue on the edges of the eyelash as well. So now we'll place the fake eyelashes on the natural eyelash. So guys, first you will press the middle part of the eyelash and then press the corners. So here I have pressed the eyelash in one corner and now I am doing in the other corner. And there is one more technique which I follow is I don't use the fingers to press in the eyelash, but I use the thin brush, tail of any thin brush available. So by doing this I ensure that the lashes are in contact with my skin. And so we are done. So the next most important part is curling your eyelash with the help of a mascara, and also it helps in mixing the natural eyelash with the false eyelash. So as I already told that I do not use an eyelash curler, so I curl my lashes with the help of this mascara. So guys, now same process I am going to follow for my other eye as well. So first I am going to apply the eyelash glue. So this I am going to apply directly on the eyes and then on the corners of the eyelash. And first I will place the middle part of the eyelash and then will place the corners. So one more thing you need to do is after applying the glue on the lash or on the eyes, you have to wait for few seconds, 10 to 20 seconds, so that the glue will become tacky and it will become easy for you to stick in a better way. And now we are almost done. So with the tail of any thin brush, I am now pressing the eyelash in. So I usually do this because I face the problem of my eyelash coming out from the one corner or the other corner. And now the final step is doing the eyelash curling with the help of a mascara. So the number of times you coat your lashes totally depend on the kind of look you want. For bigger, thicker and more dramatic lashes, you can apply multiple layers of coat. You can also apply a coat of an eyeliner to hide the lash strip. And we are done. So I hope you guys like today's makeup video. Please do let me know your reviews, suggestions and feedback. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload any makeup video. Guys, I would love to hear from you. So do let me know if you would like to see any particular video or if you like to see any technique of a particular kind of a makeup. So I'll definitely look forward to it, and thank you so much for watching.